Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you these absolutely amazing and tasty cookies stuffed with lotus spread. As you can see, I'm gonna open here one for you to see. It's absolutely delicious, very easy to make. I'm gonna show with you the recipe, and you can see how delicious it looks. So let's go for the ingredients. I have 250 grams of butter. I have a quarter of a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda, half a teaspoon of baking powder, 1 sachet of vanilla, or you can use liquid vanilla, 200 grams of brown sugar, 100 grams of chips white chocolate, and the biscoff spread, and 500 grams of flour, pinch of salt, and I have 2 whole eggs and 1 egg yolk. So first thing we're gonna put the butter on the mixer. I'm gonna add here like 2-3 spoons of the lotus spread. And the brown sugar. Mix it together for a few minutes until it's all combined. So the butter is not too soft and it's not too hard, like medium. So now I'm gonna add the sachet of vanilla. You can add liquid vanilla if you want. You can add cinnamon as well if you want. The egg yolk and the 2 whole eggs. We're just gonna blend them together a little bit with the machine. You can use it. You can use your hand also if you don't want to use the machine. Just make sure from time to time if you're using the machine to stop it and just make sure that everything is mixed together from the sides as well, from the machine of the side, from the side of the machine. Otherwise the big pieces of butter is going to be on the bottom and it's not going to mix together properly. Just continue to whisk it for a few minutes and then we'll add the flour. So now I'm gonna just use my like a spatula. Added a pinch of salt, and I'm gonna add the bicarbonate of soda. That's a quarter of a teaspoon, and then half a teaspoon of baking powder. The flour I already sifted. I added in batches. So I added half. It depends on the flour because sometimes you need less. Sometimes you need more. It depends on the flour. So I used 500 grams of the flour, 100 grams of the white chocolate chips, just mix it together until you have like combined dough. It will be a little bit sticky, but just I put it in the fridge after that to hold itself together. So now we'll put it in the fridge just to rest for a few minutes and then it will hold itself more. Meanwhile, we're gonna do the stuffing. So I took the spread, lotus spread, 2 spoons. I put a baking sheet and I just put like a small bowl, and then I'm gonna put them in the freezer for a few minutes so it become hard and it will be easy for us to put inside the cookies. You can also use like chocolate if you want, the same way, like Nutella or any kind of chocolate spread. You can do the same thing and you can use it when it's hard. You can use it easily inside a cookie. That's it. After we took it from the freezer, as you can see, it's hard, so it's easy to handle. So I'll take like a big bowl and just press it down and put one of those inside and make it to a ball, and then just press it a little bit down. I used half the quantity of the cookie I made. The rest I put it in the freezer, so it will be easy anyway. That's like if you want a cookie, just take it out and put it in the oven. So I just baked half of the amount, and the rest I put it in the freezer. So when you're done with the quantity you want, just put it in the top of a baking sheet. Put it in the oven for like 10 minutes, 180 Celsius. Just make sure if you put it in the freezer to have it inside the container that is airtight container. There we go. After it came out from the oven, I left them to cool down completely. I melted a little bit of the spread, lotus spread, on the microwave, and then I just decorated it with it. You don't have to do that, but it gives it a nice, it looks nice, and also it tastes nice. So it dries very quickly. I will leave the ingredients for you in the description box. And there we go. Beautiful cookies. I hope you liked them. See you next time. Bye.